Hey everyone, welcome back to Howtechs. Today we have the Xiaomi Airdots. These are wireless earpieces, basically the Xiaomi equivalent of an AirPod. Actually, that's not quite true. This is the cheaper version. This is about $30. They have another one which looks a lot more like AirPods, which is about $50. And the main difference is, from what was explained to me, at least by the sales guy, because I actually bought these myself here in Hong Kong, for this one, you need to have the right one pair, and then the left one pairs to that. With the other slightly more expensive one, it's a little bit closer to AirPods, where you can use one or both, and they're sort of independently both connected directly to your phone. So anyway, this one is quite affordable, like I said, about $30, which compared to what an AirPod costs is, like 1/10 the price, right? So can't go wrong. And it uses Bluetooth 5.0. This is some kind of smart control. I guess the case is a charger, and also it has some sort of wireless setup. So same thing on both sides. And here on the back, it's all in Chinese because this is basically straight from mainland China, although sold here in Hong Kong. It actually says it's made in Dongguan in Guangdong, which is just across the border. This one was made about a month ago, maybe a month and a half ago, so hot off the presses. This talks about the standby time and the play time. So it looks like it can last about 4 hours, give or take. I think this is the type of battery, lithium ion or something like that. So charge in 1.5 hours. Standby time is 150 hours. Standby time is 6 months to be on standby. And the range is 10 meters and Bluetooth 5, and I guess this is the type of Bluetooth connection it makes. So it's a little bit hard to see under the sticker, but basically the charger has a 300 milliamp hour battery, and the devices themselves, the earpieces, have a 40 milliamp hour battery, and I guess that's one in each, or maybe that's the total for both. So yeah, and then this is sort of what it runs on as far as the current and voltage of the USB connector. And yeah, that's the full title of the name. The Airdots in Chinese is called the Xiaomi Bluetooth earpieces, Airdots. And this is weird. It's actually called the Spring Edition. So I don't know if that's actually different or that's just what they call it. And it's the white color. And it includes basically a cover, 2 covers, an explanation book, a wireless cable, or basically a charging cable, and a charging housing, and then the actual 2 devices. So anyway, enough talking, let's open this guy up. So Xiaomi, if you're not familiar, they mostly make smartphones, but they've actually diversified into lots of other things, and not just accessories like this, but they make like air cleaners and smart TVs, and everything is supposed to be smart, but basically they're making like home appliances. I believe in the store they had like a kind of a robot vacuum cleaner also, so they're really going well beyond the Apple model. Okay, so here we go, and it's quite small. Before we open those, let's look what else is in the box. Really not much. There is this cable, which is a mini USB, USB 2 or USB-B or whatever they call it, and the USB-A, which is a normal one. So no USB-C connection, which I guess is good. And then there's our instruction book, and that's basically it if you look down in here. So instruction book, let's take a really quick look. So that should explain, yeah, there's the earpiece, there's a small and large, there's I guess a touch sensor on the back, how to fit it in your ear, how to charge it, etc., etc. So, and then how to connect it to your phone through Bluetooth. So I asked the guy at the store, and he said that it should be basically no problem auto pairing with an iPhone, because I don't have a Xiaomi phone personally. I don't know about you guys. But yeah, that's basically it. Take a look. Now let's get to the good part. It has this warning sticker placed on the outside, and I think, if I can read the Chinese correctly, it says to basically remove a patch on the charging spot on these things. So basically to remove a sticker on there. And here it is. Looks very nice. You can see a Xiaomi logo lightly embossed on there. And it's just a case. And it's got the same kind of battery information as on the box. and there is your charging port. So unfortunately not wireless, but should be pretty straightforward to charge it. And then here are our two earpieces. And there it is. That's the thing that you got to remove. You can get it off here. Yeah. So that way you can now charge it. I guess they didn't want it to like charge or decharge before you were ready to use it. And here's this guy too. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, it came off already. Now it's stuck to my table. Okay, so let's take a close look at this. This is the left one. It says left to right here. This is that charging connectors. Now that we've taken the sticker off, here's the earpiece that sort of fits your ear. So I don't know if that's large or small, but that's one of them. Here on the back, we have also another cover. There's a sticker here to protect it, and you can see it's already beeping because I touched it. So I guess it's looking to pair right now. And yeah, that's one. And then the other one is here. And this one I haven't touched. Let's see if I can get it to blink. If I hold it down, maybe. Yeah, there we go. You can see it blinking now. So I guess that's to pair. And probably they'll find each other and then look for a phone to pair with. And you can see that it says, in this case, turn this way. You can see that it says right there. So yeah, this one goes this way. This one goes this way, I guess. Something like that. And last but not least, we have this, which is the extra earpieces. Should be the different sizes. So that's basically it. If you have any questions, please leave them below. Do consider subscribing and check out our other videos. You might just want to leave this plastic on here. Who knows? Anyway, that's it for today. See you guys next time. Bye. The SIM card is here on the bottom right. And there's also a very small notch here on the bottom right as well. You guys can see that. There's also...